Welcome to Villa Pernilla. We use a smart lock system, and you would get a 6-number personal code, and that's the code you're gonna use when you're staying at Villa Pernilla. But the first time the house is alarmed and locked. So just push the asterisk button down to the left one time, then enter your personal code of 6 numbers and the asterisk button again. And now the alarm is disconnected and you just enter the house. Welcome again. So if you want to leave the house for activities, for shopping or whatever, and first step, if you only want to lock the house, it's very simple. Just push the asterisk button down to the left one time. The house is locked but not alarmed. If you want to alarm it as well, hold the asterisk button till you hear the noise 2 times and then enter your personal code and asterisk button again. And the alarm is now activated and the house is locked. When you're inside the house, it's much simpler. You just use this handle. When you want to lock, turn it to the right and the door is locked. If you want to unlock it, just turn to the left. And now the door is unlocked and you can enter the house.